Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard nails out of paper. First, gather your essential materials: paper, a strong adhesive like super glue or nail glue, and a pair of sharp scissors. Selecting a thicker, more durable paper, such as cardstock, will significantly improve the strength and longevity of your finished nails. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit for precise crafting. Next, cut your paper into the desired nail shapes, matching the size and curve of your natural nails. For optimal hardness, apply several thin layers of paper, carefully gluing each one on top of the last. This layering technique is crucial for building thickness and durability. Press each layer firmly to remove air bubbles and ensure a strong bond, creating a solid foundation. To achieve maximum hardness, apply a clear top coat, such as a gel top coat or clear nail polish, over your layered paper nails. This step seals the paper and provides a protective, rigid surface. Apply multiple thin coats, allowing each one to dry completely before adding the next. Finally, gently file and shape the edges for a smooth, professional finish, ensuring they look natural. For lasting paper nails, avoid prolonged exposure to water, as this can weaken the adhesive and paper structure. Reapply a clear top coat every few days to maintain their shine and reinforce their hardness, extending their wear time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't flawless. Also, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.